Z0 phase justify at any point of time most cell of our body in this phase. What do you mean by the Z0 phase or quiescent stage of a cell? It is commonly known as the resting phase. It is the essential part of the cell cycle. During this phase, cells are neither actively dividing nor preparing to divide. So what a cell do during this period? They are not dividing or start preparing for cell division. Instead, they carry out vital functions, performing essential cellular function and some maintenance activity. They engage in processes like met metabolism and protein synthesis, which are crucial for their survival and functionality. The length of the Z0 phase vary widely, few days to years. Many of the cells of our body is um, go to the Z0 phase, and reason there is a three reason of it: lack of needed cell division, resource availability, and cellular specialization. Many cells do not need to divide continuously. For example, neuron is go Z0 phase permanently because it's they do not require further replications. This lack of necessity contribute significant to high proportion of the cell in Z0 phase. Due to the lack of the resource, another cause, the most of the cell goes into the Z0 phase, lack of nutrition energy, which is required for cell division. This can causes cell arrest in Z0 phase. Cell specialization. A organism develop and mature, many cells become specialized for particular functions. Once they have taken on their specific role, they often cease to divide. This specialization results in a great number of the cells residing in the Z0 phase compared to those actively participating in cell cycle. What triggers cell to return in the cell cycle? The cell in the Z0 phase can be entered into the cell cycle for certain stimuli. For example, growth factor or change in the environment can signal to this cell that it is time to prepare for cell division. This transition is especially important during the period of cell or tissue repair or growth when more cells are needed. Which specialized cells are known to enter the Z0 phase permanently? Nerve cell and cardiac cell. Once neurons reach maturity, they typically do not divide again. This is because their primary function is to transmit signal and maintain communication within the nervous system, which does not require replications. Cardiac muscle cells, similar to neuron, cardiac muscle cells also rarely undergo division after they mature. Their role is maintaining heart function, uh, a stable, and it is they form a stable population of cells that do not need to replicate. These cells enter in the Z0 phase permanently as a part of their differentiation process. Once they have specialized for their specific function, they no longer need to divide. This permanent quiescence allow them to focus on carry out their essential role, which uh, perform the particular function effectively. So this is all about today's presentation. If you find this video helpful, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.